Yoga fire. Yoga flame.
Yoga with Elvis is all about the prevention and treatment of illnesses caused by lifestyle factors such as nutrition, physical inactivity, and chronic stress. The chronic diseases that are ravaging our country right now, for example, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and heart disease, they all have a common root cause, and that's the lifestyle choices that we make every day. Given the high presence of these diseases amongst underserved communities, a platform educating people on the root causes of these illnesses and empowering people on ways to manage their own health could benefit individuals as well as the overall community. With our current healthcare crisis, we have to start embracing all perspectives of health and healing. This approach also gives great importance to individualism, an ideal that too often is regarded as selfishness. But we have to be self-indulgent. Especially when it comes to matters of our mental, physical, and spiritual health. So I ask you again, what do you know about yoga?